doing? Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Look at Alice. I love her. Look at the whole team. Minus Ahmed, womp womp, and Giselle and Mahmoud and poor Maria because they're late. We're going bowling because Dilshad is here. And so we're having our monthly team outing. This is gonna be so fun. Artist, do you bowl? Nobody bowls. Do you?
Enjoy bowling.
Yeah, I'm on a
wouldn't
professional
consider myself an avid bowler.
I haven't even got you on the vlog yet. Maria's here. She's filming a documentary. Yes, I am. Well, we're doing two. One of them, different. The one I'm not in today is with Melanie. Yes, so I do the account for that, guys. We'll be shot now. And go follow her if you haven't already. Maria Idrisi, spelled like Mariah. Oh my God, Lily. Are you ready?
I'm first.
Oh, Alice is first. What? Noor's here! Noor, we're so happy that you're here.
So happy to be here, and I brought the two babies too.
Woohoo! Where's Malik? Malik. Say hey. Say hi. How did he so confused? Go Noor!
Come on, this is it. This is your time.
Oh my God, no. How's it going?
It's a solid 70%. We're like a C team.
Giselle's winning. You suck! No, he's second. He's a close second. One wrong move on my part, and he'll be winning. What are you at right now? I don't know, but something. Nice. How's this team doing? Who's winning? Who's winning?
Salwa is winning, I believe.
Salwa's winning? How's Ingrid and Maria doing?
Maria's killing it.
Dang, Salwa! Salwa is smashing you guys hard.
Smashing us.
Wow, Mahmoud, you suck pretty damn bad. You are not a bowler. How are you doing, Emma?
Not good. It's not my best day.
Who got a strike on this team? Maria got a strike. Watch how Malik bowls. Oh my God. Woo! Malik is a better bowler than me, that's for sure. Alice and I officially suck at bowling. It's very humbling. I would like to make a disclaimer that I used to be good at bowling, and now I suck really bad. I did not teach him this at all. He just walks away. He's about to get a strike. What's hilarious is it works.
No, but you see how it's just like.
Yeah, this team, meanwhile, is bowling backwards. Underdog. Oh, damn. I don't know what is going on with this team over here. We're still playing like decent humans. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Meanwhile, Giselle reverse bowling. Oh, one pin. Oh, you know what? Maybe we should talk about the internet. Let's talk about it. Lily's been wanting to air this out for a while.
Feedback. You're entitled to your opinion, but you should know that when you comment on a YouTube video and you say, Alice is better sister, obviously, it's
You're
just, you're right, it hurts.
She has the whole comment memorized.
It hurts. How can I forget it?
Lily's brought up that comment at least in 2 meetings.
In my heart, forever.
Alice,
I gotta say, I appreciate it, and I think they know where their loyalties lie, and they're, I don't see them, and that's all I can say. This is Selva. Selva,
Run in front of them.
show us how you run when you have to go to the bathroom. Yes.
That's true.
See, this is golden content right here.
Let me tell my whole life story.
Yeah, tell us.
Sick. It's Saturday. I'm not contagious, and Dilshed wouldn't let me carry the baby. I'm not contagious. And you had the flu, and you were up and juggling the two babies.
I know.
And Dilshed was like, no, she's physically took the baby away from me, and she doesn't know that I'm not contagious.
Yeah, she really told you too.
She really just mommed me. She was like, no, you really can't carry the baby. You were sick.
Dilshed doesn't mess around. She just like decided that was how it was gonna go down, and then you can't mess with her. Oh my gosh, Salwa and Ahmed got the most amazing dish. Look at this, black fettuccine. The people behind us are so loud. So we can't hear ourselves. The whole team. Giselle's getting her bison. Obviously. Ooh, yes, I have the bolognese. Yes, thank you. Artis is pesto. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Come on, Selva, you can do it. I know I could do it.
All right, now walk her in, walk her in. Look at her. Like, big off its head. Pull her leg down.
Let go!
Oh no, I'm sorry, Sarah. Look at her face. She is wearing the most beautiful sparkly sweater. It's Melanie's. I love that sweater. I only owned it for a minute and was like, wait a sec. First of all, I shouldn't be owning this. It should be, yeah. It should be in Giselle's closet for sure. There's no reason why I would own this. It's like silver. I don't wear that color. It looks like a knight in armor. Yeah, like armor. The chain. Like the chain. Exactly. Under the hard part. It's so cute on you. Giselle and I have been working so hard to get the jersey photos up. So for the first time on our website, we're going to have every hijab in 3 different models. Yes. Of different skin tones. Exactly, which should make online shopping easier for you. Because it's so hard when you just look at a product to kind of have a sense of what that's gonna look like on you. Right. So while we, obviously, I mean, 3 skin tones aren't even, they're not enough. Yeah. It's better than nothing, and it should be a little more helpful. Yeah, we have little videos so you can kind of see the product in action, you know, see how stretchy it is, see how it drapes. So every product will have a video with it. Yeah, more stuff for you to see and make your life easier, hopefully. Totally, and it starts with jersey, and then our visco shoot, which we had a couple weeks ago. Giselle and I are headed to the office, the new office. So every week we're having a field trip. I know. We're trying to get it right, make it look nice. And we're so excited. Oh my gosh, are you still trying to live this dream? She's still living this dream of taking this home. I'm taking this home. That looks like a... at the office with my lantern. Oh my god, that's too much.
Isn't it exciting? It's just like so...
Is this surreal to you that this is our office space? How does this feel?
It feels very surreal and very exciting.
Yeah.
Like I'm excited to see how the finished product is going to look like. Yeah. After this is all said and done, it's going to be insane.
Did you imagine almost 10 years ago when you dreamed this up in our apartment in Chicago that we would be here in New York in this office?
Not in New York in this office. I always had the vision that, like, inshallah, we're going to have a huge team, we're going to have an office, we're going to have all these things going on. It's
always
super
had
exciting.
Vision.
Yeah.
What is going on? Giselle! What are you doing? How are you even gonna put right into the mouth?
What are you doing? I don't have to move as far.
Ridiculous! Stop eating my food.
So here is what basically we're telling you guys what we've done. We have photographed, thanks, our jerseys on 3 models. You can see all different skin tones. Isn't this so exciting? The rest of the colors coming soon, but right now we just have jersey done. And you'll see them on 3 models. Awesome, right? Salwa has been working her butt off. Color correcting and getting the background colors right. It's been such a pain for her. But you're a champ. Getting it done.
We have had a very long week this week. We have been working non-stop, literally overtime. Salwa, our graphic designer, has been killing herself overtime. Mahmoud, our developer, everybody has just been working. Poor Giselle has literally just been killing herself over these photos, but we have finally released and finalized all of our new jersey photography. We are so excited to finally release them, and we're hoping that it makes your shopping experience so much easier and easy for you to visualize yourself in these colors. So definitely head to the website, take a look, check it out, and happy shopping. All right, bye, salam.